Mickey, and that's Dakota, and this is Fan Friday.
It's time for Fan Friday! First order of business for Fan Friday. If you guys are not subscribed to our vlog channel, you should totally go subscribe. It's youtube.com/snowdogsvlogs. The video we put up over there on Thursday has Northern Lights in it, so you should go check that out. That's the first order of business. Second order of business for Fan Friday. A lot of you asked this week about Memphis's birthday. Memphis's birthday is April the 4th. And yes, if you guys want to send her a card or a package or a drawing or whatever and you want it to be in her birthday video, send it to us care of Memphis's birthday. So our P.O. box is down in the video description. I'll also put it up on the screen right here. Just put on it, write somewhere on it, Memphis's birthday. That way we'll know it's for her birthday video. Living with Huskies wants to know, how long did it take you to train Memphis? Potty training only took a couple of weeks. As for behavioral training, I don't know, not too long. She's a pretty fast learner. The Geek from Instagram wants to know, how long have you and Jamie been together? Jamie and I have been married for 12 years and we've been together for 18 years. YouTube user RFS Dan, if you guys haven't checked out his channel yet, you should go check it out. It's hilarious. It's so much fun to watch. They do a vlogging channel. Anyway, had a really fun question. If it was Gone to the Snow Cats, how do you think it would be different from what you are doing now? Well, I imagine if it was Gone to the Snow Cats, we'd have some pretty fuzzy, funny looking cats. But it would probably be similar to, I would say, to Greg's channel, to youtube.com/a scratching post. I think if we had cats, we would be doing very similar to what Greg is doing with his cats. Yeah, so if it was Gone to the Snow Cats, I think we'd have to get a little tiny sled and do, maybe they could pull mice on a sled. Maybe that would be fun. I just thought that was a really funny question. Monster Mate says, what are your thoughts on a Husky not taking obedience classes? I guess it would depend on how much experience you already have training a dog. Obedience classes are really good for any dog because not only does it help kind of refresh you on what you're doing in your training, but it also gives the dog a chance to socialize with other dogs and other people. So I would always say taking a training class is a good idea. Are you laying on Shelby's feet? Alright, I get asked this question about once or twice a day, somewhere on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook or my email even sometimes. Bonnie Collins says, hi, I just adopted a Husky. She won't go to the bathroom outside. She's 8 weeks old. She's 8 weeks old. Bonnie, she's 8 weeks old. Dogs don't know that they're supposed to go to the bathroom outside. Dogs just know that they have to go to the bathroom and they're going to go to the bathroom. Especially when they're puppies, they really can't control it that well at that young of an age. I love you too, Oakley. There will be a link down in the video description to a video on how to potty train your puppy and how to kennel train your puppy. I'll actually put both of those videos. Actually, what I'll do is I'll put up a card and it'll have a bunch of training videos that we've already put up listed in it. And you can go check them out. But you should definitely check out the potty training one and the kennel training one. Because yes, you're right. Your 8-week-old puppy is too young to completely understand what going potty outside means. Ryan from Twitter wants to know, do you vary what you give for food to your dogs, or do they always get the same thing? They basically always get the same thing. Most of you guys know by now we feed Dr. Tim's Kinesis, which, by the way, if you were following the Iditarod, Dallas Seavey came in first in the Iditarod, Mitch Seavey came in second in the Iditarod, and you'll never guess what breed of dog food they feed their dogs. Is it Dr. Tim's? It sure is. As of the time I'm filming this, Dr. Tim himself has not finished the race, but the last time I checked he was in 43rd place, which, you know, it's the toughest race in the world, so even to finish it is an accomplishment. But anyway, we feed them Dr. Tim's food. We don't really vary their food. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of different things, like a couple weekends ago we were out of town and I bought a grain-free food because I had forgot to bring their container of dog food that I normally bring. Really? So they had something a little bit different, but no, most of the time they just get the same dog foods. What? Do you want to talk now too? Huh? You're like, I'm going to go outside and play. Ashley from Twitter wants to know, do you have to have a high fence when you have a Husky? Not necessarily. At our first house, we had I believe it was a 4-foot fence, which any of the dogs could have easily cleared. It's not a necessity, but it's definitely a good idea. Huskies can jump really, really high, and they can climb fairly well, so it's a good idea to have a tall fence. If you do have a shorter fence and you have Huskies, I would definitely say either combine it with the use of a tie-out that cannot reach the fence, or make sure you monitor them at all times while they're outside. We got some mail, we got some mail. One of them is a Memphis birthday gift, so you don't get it yet because it's not your birthday yet. We got some drawings from Hope and Brody. We got an awesome letter from Bridget with, look, it's Oakley's baby. Look, it looks just like your baby, Oakley. Just like your baby. With some awesome drawings. And the question was, does Memphis or the other dogs know that the drop cam is there? I don't know. Sometimes I think they do. Sometimes they don't. But if you guys are wondering where it is, it's right there. That's how we're able to see everything in the living room. Katie sent us some drawings, but she also sent us this lost dog poster because apparently her dogs have been missing for a while from, let's see, Magnolia, Texas. So if you guys have seen these dogs, there's a phone number on there you can call. And here is the pictures that she sent. Here's one of Oakley, one of baby Memphis, one of Shelby Girl, and one of Shiloh. We got a letter from Kimberly, and Kimberly, I'm not sure I understand your question. You said that you told somebody that we put molasses in our Christmas treats and want to know if Huskies need their energy. I would say yes, Huskies need their energy. What are you... We've got Shelby rear end and Memphis back. And we got a drawing and a letter from Alex, and Alex says, can you play Five Nights at Freddy's? I would like to play some video games on my gaming channel again. One of these days, maybe. No promises. Brianna says, I already have a bunny and a cat, but my parents don't like animals much. They say it's all about responsibility. What do I do? I hate to side with your parents, but animals are a big responsibility, and having two is a lot. Having more than two, are you under there, Shelby? Having more than two is a lot. I would say get good grades in school, show them that you can be responsible, keep your room clean, take care of things, and maybe you can prove it to them, and maybe they'll let you get another animal. And we got an awesome letter and a photo from, I'm gonna say your name wrong, Farron? Did I say that right? Let me know if I said that right. And we got an awesome drawing of the girls from Kyla. That's pretty good. I think you did a pretty good job. And we got some artwork from Emma, and Emma wants to know if there's anything she can do to get her dog to stop pulling. You can try using like a halty, go to a pet store near you and see if they have an anti-pull harness. You can try some of those things to see if they will help. It takes a lot of training to get a dog not to pull. My dogs pull. Every time we go for walks, my dogs pull. What? Thanks, Memphis. Did I say walk? Shelby, do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? You have a derpy face right now. Do you want to go outside, Shelby? You have a derpy face because you were laying on it. Let me get that side. Let me fix it. Fine. Well, I guess we're going outside. Fine. Good thing we're done opening mail. Alright, you guys, that's all we have for Fan Friday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. As I said, you can go check out our vlog channel to see the video of the Northern Lights photos that we got. A lot of you have been asking about a treat video. I don't know if everybody saw it, but Monday we did put up a green shamrock treat video, which of course you don't have, it doesn't have to be St. Patrick's Day for you to make it. Tuesday we put up a bonus St. Patrick's Day themed pet box unboxing. Wednesday we did a live show, and then today we're doing Fan Friday. What do you think? By the time you guys see this, the girls are going to have a special visitor that will be here staying with us for a while. Can you guess who it is? Special visitor to the girls, staying here for a while. What are you doing over there, Shelby? Showing everybody the fancy light? So be sure to check back Monday, possibly even Sunday, for a Snow Dog short to see who the visitor is. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, stay positive, dream big, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye! Oakley, if you're hot, you don't have to stand right next to me because the fireplace was on, and I think that's why you're hot.